Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you a sneak peek behind the scenes tour of the Fertility360 platform where you will get all your core learning. So let's take a peek. We have our beautiful welcome section, important dates. Then we have week 1, medical by Dr. Kavya Chiganti. You can see each of these lessons here. If we click into them, you have a video, you have downloadable slides, worksheets, and some helpful resources here. You've got the ability to add comments if you wish, and you can just head on through and learn all this good stuff. So I am really excited to be putting this program into the world on January 31st. There is so much in here. As you can see, we have our nutrition section, the exercise module from Court, and Tanami Sonta, who is our resident Fertility360 psychologist, has some awesome lessons on how to shift your headspace. I particularly love the perfectionism in the pregnancy journey, and there is some awesome worksheets that go alongside. So I would absolutely love for you to get all this good stuff inside Fertility360. We kick off on January 31st. We have some bonus goodies here with our workouts, our food safety guide, and we'll also be uploading some live Q&As as well. So I would love for you to come join us, and of course join the Fertility360 community alongside us and take a brand new and revolutionary approach to preconception health this year with all 4 modalities coming together. This is honestly the program that I wish every single hopeful parent had access to, and I would absolutely love to see you inside. Hope to see you there.